almost ready to surrender my heart to you, only you. These lights all around me keep blinding my eyes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, here with another awesome RPG hair wig tutorial. Today I have a beautiful Beyonce inspired wig today. Well, I feel like it's very much Beyonce inspired. Well, I saw a picture of her and this is similar to the way her hair was colored in that picture, so I definitely feel like this is very much Beyonce inspired. I really love the color. Today I'm gonna be doing some tweaks to this. I feel like I want to, like, you know, probably connect. I feel like I want to connect the blonde portions up here a little bit more on the wig. And the wig, it came pre-plucked. As usual, you know what I say, RPG always like customizing their wigs. I did a tutorial where I wore this wig though in its initial state and it was gorgeous, as in I took it out of the packaging and I wore it in its exact state without doing any tweaks at all. So if you're interested in seeing that, then I'll link it down below. So today is the video where I'm actually going to be customizing it. Just wanted to do that video so you guys can see that when you order a wig from RPG, yes, you can wear it as is directly out of the box, and you also have the liberty to go ahead and do whatever you want to do in terms of, you know, customization, even though it's already customized. So today I'm gonna be plucking the frontal area a little bit more, plucking the edges. You know, I'm gonna go in there and make it have a more graduation at the front, just like how I like. By the way, this wig is 20 inches long. This wig is the Ombre color 360 lace wig and it's a body wave texture. It's 180% intensity. As usual, you know, the knots come bleached, and this that I have is a medium cap size. I'm gonna put all the specifications down below as usual. So yeah, now that you know the type of wig we're working with, let's go ahead and jump into the customization. I'm gonna take my Clairol Basic White and my Clairol Pure White 40 Volume Developer. So these go hand in hand. I'm just gonna mix them up in a bowl, get it to a very creamy consistency. Okay, so once you have a very creamy consistency like this, then you're ready to go. It's not runny. If you stuck the brush in there, it stands like this, you know you're ready to go. And with this, you know, it helps to lift the area even quicker. So yeah, also I forgot to mention, you're gonna need some foil paper to just help to conceal that area that you apply the substance to.
Just wanna be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the 4-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing. I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities.
So I'm just going to let that sit for a little while. I washed it out. What I used was my Shimmer Lights conditioner. This is how it looks. It could help to tone it some so it wasn't like brassy. So as you can see, I definitely got what I was looking for. I wanted it to come up more to, like, closer to the roots, and that's what I got. It doesn't really matter to me if the hair is wet or dry to pluck it, but I mean, when it's wet, it really makes life easier. And the fact that the only reason why the extra lace is off is because, as I said, I already wore it in this state. But you know, I've been doing this for a while, so you know, I can still eyeball it and pluck it. But I'd say if you're a first timer, don't remove the extra lace before plucking the hair, you know.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body Colors spreading all around my room.
All done with, well, the wig is now dry. As you can see, it's exactly how I wanted it. It's all the way to the roots, you know. There's a nice graduation. It's not extremely bright, but there, you know, I just wanted to have a fade going on here. I'm going to give this hair some beautiful wand curls.
I wanna taste your content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out.
All done with pin curling the hair.
Carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Counting like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just playing on. I live inside my own.
So as you guys can see, I'm not trying to do any baby hairs for this application, because you know it's Beyonce inspired, as you saw, and she's more minimalistic. I'm done with putting on the wig. It's time to go into this makeup. I'm going to start off with my brows. So with her brows, if you guys notice, she always tries to keep it as natural looking as possible. So what I'm gonna do today is actually start off with cleaning up my brows. So I'm not filling them in just yet. And for this, I'm gonna be taking my Makiage concealer here in, this is their Perfecting Longwear Concealer, BFF, and it's the shade number 13. You just twist it up like this.
Take my eyes.
By the way, all these Makiage products, they will be listed and linked down below. You can shop each and every one of them on my personalized page, where you can check out other looks that I've created with Makiage products. Go ahead, support your girl. You know, you can go ahead and try these products for free within a certain time period and see if you like them. If you don't like them, then you can always return them to Makiage. If you do, you purchase them and you get to keep them. It's as simple as that. So yeah, become an Makiage babe. So I'm gonna go in and lightly fill any area that I feel like I want to fill, not too heavily, because I really want this to be light. So this is the Makiage brow pen in brown. I am loving that. I'm actually really loving that. So for primer, I'm going in with my Makiage primer. It's the No Filter Poreless Base primer. I'm actually going to use foundation for this look today. So I'm going in with my Makiage I Woke Up Like This foundation in 195. That's the shade that I'm using. And I'm just gonna apply a tad, one pump for each side, and it's the perfect match. It is the perfect match. I selected this shade online. They have a quiz. It's so effective. Please don't skip that step. Take it. Trust, it will help. Like, my most frequent asked question about makeup is, what shade do you think I should get? What shade do you think? Like, that quiz will really help. So go ahead, take the quiz. It's very effective, and a little bit goes a long way.
Just tripping on day dreams, got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fires.
The eyes that she, like the eye look that she was rocking is very natural. It's just a light wash of shadow in the like earthy tones in her crease area, and then she just lightly added like, you know, some simple lashes too. I'm not even sure, she probably had on fusion, but yeah. And they kind of just drag the same shadows like to the lash line, you know, so that light wash of like gold was added to the lids. So I'm gonna go in with this golden shade here from the same Sub Marcel palette, very lightly. So I'm done with the applying the lashes. So I'm just gonna add some mascara to just my lower lashes and blend my natural lashes with the falsies. I'm gonna be taking my Makiage highlighter. This is the Gold Sand. This is the Gold Sand highlighter dust. And for her lips, she kept the lips so natural, my style. I love just doing a natural lip at most of the times. In this picture, it doesn't even look like she really lined it much, but it does have a hint of liner. So I'm gonna go in with my Il Makiage natural moisturizing lip liner in brown. And my Black Radiance clear lip gloss. Now it's time to unravel the hair. I'm so excited for this. Okay, so if you notice in the picture, her hair isn't as curly as this. I'm going to, you know, kind of blow out the curls a little bit more. So I'm really just stretching them. So you see how everything just came together nicely. I mean, it still has, you know, a lot of bounce, but I really don't mind. It is inspired after all, not identical, inspired. So, because I'm really loving it with, you know, the little extra volume. So that's pretty much it for this look, this Beyonce inspired look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. I really like the volume, it's really nice. So as I said, it's inspired, it's really nice. I love the way, you know, the edges is looking. I didn't do any baby hair action, nothing like that. It's very, very natural looking. So I'm really loving that. I feel like the next time I put this wig on, I'm probably going to do a side part and flip it over, because I feel like that will really look good as well. Let me know what you think down below in the comments section. Go ahead and give this video a like, as I said before, and check out all the specifications on this wig down below. Don't forget my codes are SUE15 and PETITE-10. Go ahead and shop this wig right now on my customized RPGhair page. It's listed down below in the description box. And for the makeup products, they're all going to be listed down below. And check out, if you want to try the Il Makiage foundation, is really lit, like really lit. You know, if you're interested in those products, my page, I'm going to link the page on the Il Makiage website where you can go ahead and shop my looks. I have more looks over there where you can go ahead and and see the products that I use, and if you're interested in trying out any of those products, you can go ahead and do so. I really appreciate all the support that I've been getting from everyone. It means so much to me. Thank you guys again. But yeah, that's it for today for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So until then, go and big up on yourself